I'm Kirsty with the Missouri State Office of Admissions, and I'm here to talk to you about transferring credit to Missouri State. We are very transfer friendly, and we accept college credit from hundreds of accredited colleges and universities. So to start off, we are here on our Missouri State homepage. I'm going to walk you through how you can see your college credit transfers to Missouri State. So on our screen here, we are going to start by searching Transfer Equivalency Guide. So we are going to click this first link that pulls up right here that says Course Equivalencies, and then we're going to click on See How Courses Transfer to Missouri State. This guide is a great resource for knowing how your credits will transfer before you apply to MSU. Once you apply and send us your transcripts, we'll give you an official evaluation of how they transfer. The guide is very user-friendly, so we're going to start by selecting your college or university from the drop-down list here. Sometimes city and school abbreviations are different than what you might type in. For example, sometimes St. Louis is ST dot instead of the full SAINT. Another example, sometimes university is abbreviated as UNIV. So if you don't find your school, try it with some different abbreviations. For this example, we are going to use our community college here in town, which is Ozark Technical Community College. It's one of those that's abbreviated a little bit differently, and it's abbreviated as Ozarks Tech Com College. If you just have one particular class that you're looking to see how it transfers, you can search by course letter here, or you can pull up the full list of all of the classes that are transferable from that school. For this example, the courses that we're going to use will fall into the category of E through G, so that's what we're going to click and hit Get Courses. So when you're looking at the guide here, there are 5 columns across the top. The first 2, which are course number and course title, those refer to the class that you're taking elsewhere and that you're hoping to transfer in. Missouri State University course number and course title refers to how those classes will transfer in and what we call those classes. This column over here that says Core 42, that relates to a Missouri policy about transferring in an associate degree to Missouri State, and this lets you know if your course is part of Core 42. So let's say that I am enrolled in English 101 and French 102 this semester. As I scroll down to find my course codes, I'm going to land on English 101, which is right here for me. So at OTC, or Ozark Technical Community College, English 101 is called Composition 1. So I'm going to slide over on our guide here and see that at Missouri State, this course is called English 110 or Writing 1. I can also see over here that in Core 42, it is called English 100 and that it is part of our Core 42 program. So this class transfers successfully. I'm also going to scroll down here to our French 101 right here. So French 101 at OTC is beginning French 1, and sliding over here at Missouri State, it successfully transfers as French 101 or Elementary French 1, as well as part of our Core 42 requirement. So both of these courses will successfully transfer. Now let's give an example of a course that may not transfer directly. If we look right here at FST 102, Building Construction, you can see that it transfers in as TCM 000. That means that it's going to come in as an academic elective as part of our Technology and Construction Management program. So if you do take FST 101 at OTC, you won't necessarily receive a direct equivalent for it, but you will receive an elective credit that will still count towards your total needed courses for your degree. But maybe you're also taking FST 101, which is Intro to Fire Services. You'll see that it does not transfer in as any course because we do not offer any courses similar to that. Generally, courses that are non-transferable are courses of a technical nature or that are part of programs that we do not offer. If you don't see the course that you're enrolled in on this list, that does not necessarily mean that it isn't transferable. That just means that it hasn't been transferred to us before, so we haven't determined its equivalent. If this is your case, you can email us at admissions@missourastate.edu and we can determine the equivalency for you. Hopefully this will give you a little bit better of an idea of how your credits are going to transfer to Missouri State. But if you ever need any help, just email us and let us know, and we are happy to help you out. Go Bears!